Have you ever met a person named Johnny? I haven't. But I met Johnny once, but he's only my wall. And he's my only best friend. I could tell him all my problems, but he just never talks back. So I talk back for him. I like Johnny. Johnny's nice. He understands me, unlike other people in this room. That's not Johnny. Johnny looks way better than that.
I am Johnny.
Anyways. Did you drink all that drink over that? Well,
I got
anywho.
new status comments. Tanton.
I don't really know what to say anymore, so I'm just gonna go, I guess. Peace. You gonna say bye? Hey. 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 Say bye. Say bye.